Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. The name here is John Williams. If you are new here, make sure you like, drop a comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to connect your tongue keeper to your hamster wallet. Yes, I'm coming to teach you. So we head out to Telegram. We head over to Telegram. Then we visit our hamster kombat bot. Then you click on the airdrop. As you see on my screen, it says connect your Ton wallet. Then you click on connect. Then you click on connect your Ton wallet. Yes, in this session, you could see we have Ton Keeper, my Ton wallet, your Ton Hub, and the wallet. Then you choose your Ton Keeper wallet, as you see. Then you download the app. As you see, so if you find this video helpful, make sure you give this video a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.